Welcome to our Salesforce Basics series. Today, we'll explain what a profile is in Salesforce. What is a profile in Salesforce? A profile in Salesforce controls what a user can see and do in the system. It defines permissions, like which objects, fields, and data users can access, and what actions they can perform, like creating, reading, updating, or deleting records. Why do we use profiles? We use profiles to ensure that different types of users in the company only access the information they need. For example, a salesperson might need access to opportunities and accounts, but not cases, while a customer service rep might only need to see cases and contacts. This way, everyone gets the right tools and information to do their job, without clutter or confusion. How to create a profile in Salesforce? Let's create a profile. First, log into Salesforce and go to the Setup menu. Type Profiles in the Quick Find box. Click on Profiles under Users. Either click on New Profile to start creating a new one, or select a base profile such as Standard User to clone from. This is important because it will copy the basic permissions, which you can customize later. Name your profile that represents the user group, like Sales Team Profile. Click Save. On the Sales Team Profile page, click Edit. Choose your object permissions like View All. Choose which objects this profile can access, such as admissions, attendees, or classes. Decide what actions they can perform. Can they read or create records? Click Save. Your new profile is now ready to be assigned to users. Now you know what a profile is, why it's important, and how to create one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time. This is Naveen signing off.